Numerous wildfires continued to burn across the U.S. West on Monday. Fire agencies has reported some progress in corralling the flames as forecasters predict a steady decrease in extreme temperatures. The fires have forced evacuations in several areas with scattered homes in tiny communities where some burned houses and other structures have been inspected. Total losses were still being tallied. The fire erupted as the West was about to face a second round of dangerously high temperatures in just a few weeks. The National Weather Service said the heat wave appeared to have peaked in many areas. Excessive heat warnings were largely expected to expire by Monday night or Tuesday. The two largest fires were burning forests in northeastern California and southern Oregon. Evacuation orders were in effect for over 3,000 residents of remote areas of California's Lassen and Pluma counties and Nevada's Washoe County. Plenty of structures were destroyed over the weekend in Doyle, California, a town of about 600 residents.